Greetings from Grenoble and the global R&D headquarters of Schneider Electric. Here at the visitor parking, Innoventum installed 2 solar carports for a total of 24 cars in less than 1 week, because everything is modular. So all wooden elements are highly modularized. Every connector is integrated into the wood so that you get perfect aesthetics. All wood is perfectly aligned. The foundations are not concrete, no excavation needed. Instead, we are drilling down screw foundations made of recycled steel, thereby avoiding perhaps 10 tons of CO2 emissions from concrete. The structure itself has captured 12 tons of CO2 before it starts to produce CO2 neutral energy, and the energy goes straight from the PV to the EV, thanks to a novel technology with Schneider Electric that allows for this instead of the conversion to AC and then from AC to DC again, as all other solutions in the world currently do, thereby wasting 30% of energy. This waste has been totally eliminated with this solution that we are proud to present together with Schneider Electric in Grenoble. Thank you.